Greet me, guys! This is my shirt. I'm going to the mall today. Going to a prom. This is my address. So I'm going to get okay, so this is right here. First step. I need to brush my hair. Of course. Next. Skincare. First. I do this every day. So it's my moisturizer. Get my hair soft. Next, hair. Okay, first step. Do it over and over again. Second layer, done. Now you have a beard. Next, you do my one. Oh my god. One by one, I guess. I just one by one. It's really hard to do it. So next, you need to brush it a little. Next, makeup. So I always do this every month if I have and this is how no it oh my god. Okay. I'm going to get my own makeup instead. I got it. First I get blush. Orange. Okay, next. The last part is the dress. Better with straps or no straps? Okay, I just want to figure it out. The final look.